Hello everyone, this is RAFTHELSA vlogs. This is my winter vlog here in the Switzerland. Right now I am here outside the door. This is my outdoor decoration for the Christmas or for the winter. And look at this. This is my winter outdoor decoration. There is a snow girl, this one. And I have two Santa Claus. And I have a Christmas tree decorated here, and the side is the pine cones, and I have here on the top this mini Christmas tree. This is made from the empty bottles of wine and decorated with garland, and attached on the top is egg cones. And I have here different Christmas candle decorated from all different waste materials. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for I would like to uh, thank everyone for supporting my channel RAFTHELSA vlogs. I would like to thank everyone for supporting my channel, for continuing subscribing and watching every time I uploaded a new videos. So it's gonna be Christmas, so I wish everyone a blessed Christmas, peaceful, and a healthy living. So from the bottom of my heart, from RAFTHELSA vlogs, I wish everyone a Merry Christmas 2020, and I hope everybody will be in good health despite of the pandemic. And let's welcome for the New Year 2020. So have a blessed Happy New Year 2021 to everyone. So to all my viewers and subscribers from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And from the YouTube team, thank you for supporting my channel and allowing me to post my videos every day. And I hope you will support my channel. I am here because of you. Without you, I'll never be in this YouTube world. So this is my winter vlog, and I hope you like this outdoor decoration here with Santa. I have there the Santa, the winter girl, and my little Christmas tree. And on my backside, guys, I have a huge Christmas tree decorated with my DIY project, hanging on the bottom side of the huge Christmas tree. Look at there. So that is my DIY project. So I will put my camera here so that you can see my outdoor Christmas presentation. So we will zoom so that you can see. Then stay tuned. I will show you the background here. Right here, it's snowing here in here. So I'm gonna show you the full view of the snow here. Look at, guys. So this is the winter wonderland here in the Zurich Highlands. So ito na oh, I'm wearing my